After 400 videos on this channel, I realized something. You don't need another tech channel that covers everything. You need one that makes you actually productive. So today everything changes. AI tools are everywhere. ChatGPT, Gemini, NotebookLM, Perplexity, Make.com or N8N. Most people watch a quick tutorial, try it once, and then give up. They never actually learn to save real time or do real work. Starting today, this channel has one focus: helping you master AI productivity tools that actually works, not surface level overviews, deep tutorials, real workflows, skills that you can use tomorrow. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will get tutorials on NotebookLM, which is Google's AI research assistant almost nobody knows about or very few people use it. Gemini, which does many things better than ChatGPT. Perplexity, this is an AI search engine replacing Google for many people. ChatGPT, productivity workflows, not basic stuff. And Make.com or N8N automation without code to connect everything. This week, coming Thursday, I'll have a complete Notebook LM tutorial. Upload documents, generate study guides, create AI podcasts, everything. Saturday, I'll club together Gemini and Notebook LM workflows that cuts research time by 80%, step by step. Then on next week, Perplexity deep dive, Make.com automations, and many more. From next week onwards, it will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every week. If you want actually learn AI and work smarter, you are in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, drop a comment. What AI tool that you want to master first? Notebook LM, Gemini, Perplexity, ChatGPT, or you want automation? First tutorial drops on Thursday next. Notebook LM. Thank you.